How to fix Facebook account locked. First, open the Facebook, log in to your account. If your account has been locked, you'll be able to see the message your account has been locked. Right now, my account is not locked, but if your account is locked, it might be because of the security reason. Tap on the option Get Started that you can see on that interface. Follow the on-screen steps. They will ask you to confirm your identity. Provide your identity details. They might ask you to provide the date of birth. Make sure to provide it correctly. Or they might also ask you the security question. Answer it correctly. Sometimes they'll also send the verification code to you via the message or email. Enter that verification code. After you do that, your Facebook account will be unlocked and you'll be able to use it. Like this, you'll be able to fix Facebook account locked. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.